Excuse me, I have to confess something. I think you're gorgeous.
Thanks. Had a boyfriend for like 5 years.
Oh no, that's okay. I was talking to her, not you. I know you have a boyfriend.
No. I'm letting you know she has a boyfriend.
Oh my, she can talk for herself.
I'm reiterating what she just fucking said.
All right, relax. You don't get that. You don't get to talk, okay? You're too.
I absolutely do.
You already look big enough. Don't talk big too.